Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to trade on PancakeSwap. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So currently we are on the main page of PancakeSwap, and as you can see right here, it tells me straight up to get started on the home page, and it gives me some options between BNB and Cake BNB chain. Now, one of the easier ways to trade on PancakeSwap is to connect an original wallet. Now, this can be either done manually, where you go to the main website, which is pancakeswap.finance, and then from here you're going to go to connect, and then select whatever wallet there is, or you can go to another wallet. So for example, if you are using something such as Trust Wallet, then from here you can go in the app itself, and then there is a section where it says the Discover after you finish from the home page on the bottom right. Once you click on that, it is discovering the websites from here and the featured, where there are different options from Uniswap to PumpSwap, and finally you can search for PancakeSwap, which is right here. Once you do that, click on connect, then it simply will detect it, and then once you click on the Trust Wallet, you can simply click on connect for whatever wallet you have in there, and then once you have that done, you can simply get it done and then swipe it down. Now, any balance that I have on my Trust Wallet will be directly going for PancakeSwap, and so it is just simply connecting it to any other wallet that you existingly have. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.